Tom for Waterwise Botanicals, and folks know that we have a really varied palette of plant materials that we grow. There's perennials, there's ornamental grasses, there's daylilies, succulents, cactus, and we try to have gardens where we display and demonstrate some of these plant materials. This particular area here we like to call our country cottage garden, and it has a pretty good combination of everything except the cactus in it, but there's certainly succulents, perennials, salvias, roses, and all those different plants. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is the fact that how tolerant they are of being able to go on less water. You see, folks in San Diego County specifically often have, for a very small amount of property, a water bill that's $600, $900, $1,200 a month just to do the watering of their landscaping. We're not talking about big estates. That goes way up. So here what we did is we have a spot where we did all of our pumpkin patch. And our pumpkin patch was beautiful and fun because we put the pumpkins all around in the gardens. I mean, what a better experience it is to get your pumpkins where you don't have to get them off of a bare asphalt parking lot next to a grocery store. But here in the gardens, it's just a truly fun and beautiful and wonderful experience. The problem is if we irrigate and water the plants, the pumpkins rot. So for 6 weeks, throughout all of October, also the last part of September, this garden had zero water. No irrigation, no water, no drippers, no nothing turned on. And we had several days that were up well over 90, 95 degrees was our top, and always the high 80s, mid 70s, not a drop of rain. And look at how beautiful everything still is. Now it's probably getting to the point where it would start stressing. You'd see a little bit of stress, but let's say you're paying that monthly water bill of say $900, $1,000, $1,200 a month. Maybe you'd like to give yourself a month's break out of the annual budget. So that's why I want you to come and see it for yourself. Also just start looking at and getting the plants and learning about the plants that we grow here at Waterwise Botanicals so that you might be able to give yourself a 1 month rest. And I'm Tom for WaterwiseBotanicals.com.